Okay guys, it's a really cold, snowy day here in Toronto, and our first job for today is to get that mortiser out and install a mortise lock on this house. So we're gonna get started with that. Here's the current setup. We got power, this is the door. We got all the hardware over there. Right now we are replacing the bit on the mortising machine. This is the mortise lock we'll be installing. So if we look over here, okay, that will do. And if we look over here, that will cut this portion out, and it will leave the rest of it available for us to router. Okay, the next step was to cover the door with tape. So the reason we do that is to protect it and so we can draw on it. This will go right here. Mark from the bottom of the door, 36. Once we find the center, we take the spindle. You see how it marks us the center? Perfect. We mark the top and bottom of the lock. Now we have this. Now we got my other 9D that's already pre-set to 60 millimeter, 66 millimeter, and 70 millimeter. Okay, we got the mortiser on. We adjusted all of the distances. We are ready to start operating. We put the cover on to keep the dust down. Okay, we got the mortiser to do its job. Now that we did that, release it. Now we can take it off. marking on any corrections on the height. Find the new center.
Wonder if you showed up today. Yeah, that looks right. Looks like how we usually do it. Like it looked like that's how Sandringham was done and all that kind of stuff. Yeah. Or even mom and dad's door at the condo. That's the way it looks. Like yeah.
What's is there any update on the Sub-Zero?
Okay, guys. So the homeowners have left. That's why we were talking quietly. So let me catch you guys. So this cassette is going to be going into here. We ran into a problem because this is a 2.5-inch door and our machine only goes up to 2 1/4. So we have to do it in a slightly different manner. So we marked our centers. We marked this center. And now we got a spacer that template out. You'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, so we got it up there. Here's our little spacers. This is so that way the foot, when it goes in, it doesn't have a problem. And then it will go all the way around and create for us our square. No chiseling for this portion. Okay, as you can see, we got the mortise locks area all done up. And now if we grab the mortise cassette, what we just did is we chiseled the corners, make them a straight edge, and then we marked and identified the points forward this area ends up always touching. And now when we put it in, fantastico. And here's our edge sitting nice and flush. Now we're gonna do some tricks, make it look good. Okay, but essentially this portion is finished because this goes in. Now we gotta mark up for the rest of the locations of where they sit. Everything's been drilled. We got the cylinder in place, the spindle for the outside, spindle for the inside, thumb turn. This is in. Now we're ready for the finishing touches. Okay, so we got it all in. I'm having a little issue with it, with the alignment. Something is not right. We'll figure it out and we'll fix it. Okay, this is step 2. We just have to wrap this up. We have to put on the strike plate over here. Let's grab more lipstick. Okay, bring this guy in, bring this guy in, close the door. Magic. And then we draw, and now we grab this guy, and that goes right here. Okay, we got the strike plate done up. Now we just gotta chisel in these guys, and we'll be good to go.